Hey, budget travelers! Today, I'm taking you on an exciting journey to one of the world's most vibrant cities, Istanbul, and guess what? We're doing it all on a budget. First up on our list is the iconic Hagia Sophia, a masterpiece that blends Byzantine and Ottoman architecture. The best part? Admission is free on the first day of every month. Make sure to sync your visit to save those precious dollars. Next, let's stroll through the historic streets of Sultanahmet. This area is a goldmine for culture enthusiasts and it doesn't cost a dime to explore. Don't miss the Blue Mosque and the ancient Hippodrome. And while you're here, indulge in some people watching and soak in the local ambiance. Absolutely free. Feeling peckish? Head over to the bustling markets of Istanbul. The Spice Bazaar offers a sensory overload without the hefty price tag. Here's a tip. Try the free samples and savor the rich flavors of Turkish delights, spices and teas. For a slice of serenity, visit the beautiful parks around the city. I recommend Gulhane Park, right next to Topkapi Palace. It's a perfect spot for a picnic with a view, and it's totally free. And here's a travel hack for you. Use the public ferries to see the city from the water. It's incredibly budget-friendly and offers stunning views of the Bosphorus that you typically pay a premium for on a private tour. Lastly, don't forget to explore the vibrant neighborhoods of Istanbul. Places like Balat, with its colorful houses and artistic vibe, offer endless photo opportunities and a chance to experience the local lifestyle without spending a fortune. So there you have it. Exploring Istanbul in 2024 doesn't have to drain your wallet. With some planning and these insider tips, you can soak in the beauty and culture of this historic city while keeping your budget intact. Thanks for joining me on this budget-friendly adventure in Istanbul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, keep exploring.